Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we're going to be doing a quick release bumper install. I had to get this just because I actually had my bumper pop off the other day. So I don't have any screws on there, so I'm going to have to install this. That way this doesn't happen. Alright, so to start things off, you're going to need a few basic tools. First off, you're going to need some kind of a drill or a driver. This is a Milwaukee driver. I got a drill bit on there. It is a 5/16. That should be the perfect size for this washer here. Just a little bit bigger, which is just perfect. That's what you want, because this bolt down here has got to actually thread through it. Obviously, quick release kit here. It comes with 4 of them. I already got 1 of them installed. You're going to need a 10 mil socket, 4 mil Allen key. That way you can tighten down the head bolt with the nut on the back. And I'll show you guys just how to do it. All right, so our first step, we're just going to jack the car up here and cut the wheel to the opposite side that you're doing, just to give you more room up here in the fender well. All right, so next what you're gonna do is you're gonna mock up where you want this to be. That way you can see how far this stretches. I'm gonna put mine right on the fender there. Fender to the bumper right on the corner. You wanna make sure they're far enough apart, that way it's actually tight, that way it can actually hold the bumper on. Then you're gonna grab your drill and you're just gonna drill a pilot hole just to get it started. You're gonna wanna make a mark. Probably do it right about there. And then you're just going to push all the way through. Perfect. So what we're going to do now, you're just going to get the fastener. You're going to put the bolt right through it. And then this is going to go on the outside. And then on the other side, you're going to hit it with this washer and this lock nut. So you're going to use the 10 mil socket to tighten down this locking nut, while you put a Allen key through here and hold that steady. That way you can tighten it up to the fender. Now since I got it situated on there, I got it kind of loose right now, I'm just going to tighten it up. Should be good enough, should be high enough up to where it can actually get some tension here once you put it on the bumper. So I used the Allen key to kind of mark my hole here once I had the bumper stretched out. That way I can see exactly where I'm going to be drilling. Now we're going to do the bumper side. The reason I made the hole a little bit bigger is that way I have a little bit of adjustability, so I can move it exactly where I want it to be. In this case, I kind of did this one up a little too high, so we're going to have to be stretching this a lot to get it to fit around here. So I'm going to move it as far up as possible. So I just figured out it's easier just to actually pop the bumper off and then just thread it in this way. You're just going to stretch the band right over, that way it's tight. Perfect. That should be enough to hold the bumper on. Even if it pops out of the clips, it'll still hold it tight. And that's pretty much it. That's how you guys are going to install a quick release bumper kit if you need to for your lowered car, or if you want to do it just for rice. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you drop a like. Probably do a couple more how-to videos, so comment down below what you guys would like me to do next. Hope you guys have a good one.